Hi all, my name is Sebastiaan Teuns and I'm the co-founder of Pattelsens. Today I will be providing a short update on the sampling kit. As some veterinarians that already have experience with Pattelsens will likely have noticed that this filter may now and then cause clogging, and this will not allow you to aspirate the sample properly. To make your life more easy, we decided to omit this green filter. What you need to do when you collect a sample is as follows. You collect the material with the swab, you put it into the tube, you remove the green filter, you will first flush the liquid so that the pores of the swab will open, you mix everything thoroughly, and then you aspirate in the syringe. You then place back the white cap on the syringe. You will scan the sample with your smartphone and register everything in the Pattelsens mobile app. In this way, you will send the sample cooled to the diagnostic lab for investigation. In this way, the process will be much more easy for you as a veterinarian, and the new kits will be released in the next few weeks. We wish you a good diagnostic analysis.